Welcome. In this class, we will discuss about the latest agreement between the TriFed and IIT Delhi under the scheme of Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. So we will try to understand what basically is TriFed. Then we'll also go into the details of what Unnat Bharat Abhiyan is. So let's begin this class. So the first thing that we have to know is what kind of agreement that these two entities have came into. So what happened? TRIFID, which is under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, has entered into a partnership with IIT Delhi for the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. Now, if you see what basically is TRIFED, so this is an organization which was formed in 1984. That time the department was called as the Ministry of Welfare. It was formed then, and the major goal of TRIFED is to basically provide socio-economic development to the tribal people. So throughout its formation in 1984 till today, it has been working to provide or increase the sources of income and improve the livelihood of the tribals. So that is what TriFed is, and basically this is something which is related to the service sector as well as your marketing. So the guidelines of TriFed works for the marketing of the tribal products, and it is under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Now this TriFed has came in partnership with IIT Delhi for the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. What is Unnat Bharat Abhiyan? We will discuss about it more in detail. Let's first try to understand what this whole agreement has been about. So the tribal entrepreneurs under the TriFed's Vandhan Yojana. So there is Vandhan scheme, Vandhan program, which is led by the TriFed, under which the tribal entrepreneurs are there, and they will be able to get the access of the and expertise of the people from the educational institute under the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. So this kind of partnership will help in getting the expertise on board, which could further help to increase the livelihood means. So with IIT Delhi as the National Coordinating Institute, so for this particular Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, IIT Delhi is the National Coordinating Institute for TriFed Agreement. This particular thing envisages promoting tribal livelihood and income generating programs. Now, also there is a third party or the third entity where they could get the expertise, and that is Vibha. So we will discuss about your Vandhan program, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan as well as Vibha in the later slide. So let's begin. What is basically Unnat Bharat Abhiyan? First thing that you have to remember is which ministry launched it. So it is launched by the Ministry of Human Resource Development. So MHRD is the one which has launched the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. Now think about it, what it is. The very major problem with the Indian like the rural and the urban divide and the kind of educational background that is present with our higher education institute and the ground level problem, there has been a disconnect, so that the society is facing different kind of problem, and the researcher at the higher education institute were trying to solve different problems. So to provide the link to connect the dots, the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan was emphasized. So basically what will happen, the higher education institutes, the students who are learning over there, the faculty who are teaching over there, they will go ahead and have at least like 5 villages under their ambit and try to solve the problems. Like they will try to find the sustainable solutions to the problem in these 5 villages by using their own expertise. So this kind of technical intervention under UBA will cover different subjects. So they will go for the water management, your sustainable agriculture, then your artisan industry livelihood. So it covers the entire rural livelihoods, like what kind of problem could be there in rural livelihood and what kind of technology interventions could be provided to reach to a sustainable solution. So that is the whole outline of Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. It's basically aims to connect the dots. So like the basic problem which the rural India is facing, because even today the maximum portion of our population resides in the rural area, we have to figure out proper solution for them. So Unnat Bharat Abhiyan is one of the abhiyan to provide that kind of link and sustainable solutions to the problem of the villages. So that is what we have understood about the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. Now let's try to understand, as earlier said, in the agreement, it was between the entrepreneurs of Vandhan scheme and the experts of Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. So now let's also try to understand what Vandhan scheme is actually about. So Vandhan scheme is initiative of Ministry of Tribal Affairs and TriFed. So now try to remember, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan was the initiative of Ministry of MHRD, and this your Vandhan Yojana or Vandhan scheme is the initiative of which ministry? Ministry of Tribals, and it is led by the TriFed. What is basically seeks to do? It seeks to improve the tribal incomes through value addition of tribal products. Now think about it, what kind of tribal products we are talking about. So there is a very specific minor forest produce MFP, which comes as a tribal product and is a major source of income. As much as 100 million tribal people are dependent on your minor forest produced, and this is a major source of women empowerment for tribal women. So basically these kind of minor forest produce are the one which are targeted under the Vandhan scheme. And what kind of mechanism is there? So what will happen? They will form a samuh of self-help group. So at the very unit level where the produce is like extracted, that at that level only self-help groups will form a samuh of like 30 members, and they will try to have the value addition on the product so that the final income could be increased on the selling of these products. So basically Vandhan scheme, as the name suggests, it's like the forest produce, the one, and dhan is basically increase providing value addition to it so that the income would increase and eventually it will lead to the better livelihood means for the tribal people. So this is something about Vandhan scheme. Now let's also try to understand about the third entity, Vibha Vigyan Bharati, which is also one of the party in the agreement which is recently signed between TriFed and IIT Delhi. Now what is Vibha? So Vibha is basically what is earlier known as the Swadeshi science movement. So in like earlier it was formed by the IISc Bangalore, and its major like operation now happens at Nagpur. So in Nagpur they will meet and their major operation center is there. It was formed by the IISc Bangalore and as a science movement. In fact, it is the largest Indian science movement, and Swadeshi for that matter of fact. Now Swadeshi here it means of one's own country. The kind of movement or the kind of scientific intervention or scientific discoveries or invention the person are doing, they have to have the Swadeshi element to it. So that is one of the major goals or aims of your Vigyan Bharati. Now it is a non-profit organization. It is not any agency of government. It is an NGO. It is a non-profit organization working for science popularization and implementation of modern technology and ancient sciences in India. So it's basically works for the amalgamation of the kind of advancement in the ancient Indian history as well as the modern science that we have developed over a course of time. So this kind of things, the popularization of science is done through Vigyan Bharati. So it is a dynamic science movement and interlinking traditional and modern science and natural and spiritual science on other hand for national need. So these are also a entity which has lots of experts associated with it and works for the scientific movement. So these three entities, your IIT Delhi under Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, your TriFed as your Vandhan scheme, and then Vigyan Bharati. These three will work together to improve the livelihood of tribal people and add value to the minor forest produce. So this is the basic idea of the agreement that has been done, and I hope you have liked this video. For any doubt, please comment. See you for the next video. Thank you.